The St. James Police say they are seeing an increase in the number of entertainment events in the parish and are encouraging promoters to apply for the necessary party permits. Head of the division, Senior Superintendent Aaron Samuels, says he recognizes that the local economy keeps the communities alive. 5 months after Hurricane Melissa, there are signs of recovery in the entertainment industry.
There are cases where persons may apply, especially for the larger events, an extension through the Ministry of Culture. If that is granted, we may, note what I said, we may give the approval to go beyond that based on recommendation, intelligence, etc. So that is where it is in terms of timings.
SSP Samuels says the police must be aware of the events in order to properly allocate resources in the case of an emergency. As at April 4, St. James has recorded 18 murders, one more than the similar period last year. SSP Samuels warns that criminals may use events to launch attacks, and without proper notification from the police, it makes their response to incidents difficult.
Assist persons who want to keep their events. Looking at the safety and security in mind, we want to ensure that persons who are so affected by Hurricane Melissa and may want to put on events, we are trying our best to facilitate these by ensuring that they go through the correct channel, through the municipal corporation and others. So please encourage persons that if they are keeping events, apply for the events. We don't want them to keep illegal events because these give rise to incidents. But as best as possible, we are trying to facilitate the events that are being held.